What is a stream processing? Stream processing is not just faster batch. It is fundamentally a different way of thinking. Imagine you are monitoring a heart rate machine in a hospital. You cannot wait until the end of the day to find out something went wrong. You need signals as they happen. Or imagine a payment platform detecting fraud. If the alert comes hours later, the money is already gone. In these cases, the value comes from acting immediately. Stream processing means data is processed continuously as it arrives, event by event, or with extremely small delay. Instead of waiting to collect a batch, the system treats each piece of data as an event that must be handled right away. In real data engineering, these events could be page clicks, app logs, sensor readings, payment transactions, or system metrics. Stream processing matters because it unlocks low latency decision making. It powers fraud alerts, anomaly detection, operational monitoring, live dashboards, personalization, and event-driven automation. For example, if a website suddenly shows a spike in errors, a streaming pipeline can detect it and trigger an alert instantly. Or in e-commerce, streaming can update trending products in near real time. But streaming processing comes with new challenges that batch systems don't have. The first challenge is that events can arrive out of order. Just because an event happened earlier doesn't mean it arrives earlier. The second challenge is duplicates. In distributed systems, messages can be delivered more than once, so the pipeline must be designed to handle that without double counting. The third challenge is late arriving events. Some events might arrive minutes or hours late due to network delays or upstream failures. A simple way to summarize streaming is this. Stream processing delivers immediate insights, but it requires careful design to handle real-world messiness like delays, duplicates, and failures. It's powerful, but it must be built with production-grade reliability in mind.